Are you thinking you can make better Afrobeats with FS Stock plugins? Check it out. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution career. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment. I subscribe. Today I'll show you 5 FS Stock plugins that you can use to make better Afrobeats. Let's get started. Okay, so the first plugin on my list is what? Hammer. You can add the hammer here. You click on this plus, then you go here, hammer. Okay, so let's look at this hammer. You come to the preset over here. Then what I like about hammer is the pad. Okay, it has nice pad. One is the what? This one over here, Aquarius. Let's listen. Okay, then let's try another one over here, the big swell. Very nice pad. Okay, so you can play all these ones, then you choose the best out of it. Then we have this one too, the Dreamland. Okay, the Dreamland 2 over here is a nice pad. Okay, you can play with all these knobs over here to suit you what you want. I'm not going to do more in depth about it. Let me know in the description down if you want me to go more into this hammer with you. Okay, very simple. It's a nice plugin that you can use to make better Afrobeat. Then with the same hammer, you can go to the percussion. Okay, with the percussion, chorus is a good one. Wow, nice one. So the next plugin on my list is what? Muffin. And you can add Muffin by clicking here. Okay, you select Muffin from here. So let's walk through some of the tones that I really like from Muffin. Okay, so I really like the percussions over here. The percussions from Muffins are very nice. Listen. Let's try another one. I really like the bass from Muffin too. My favorite is the first one. Listen. We move on to the brass. I really like the brass too. The brass, the ninth one over here. Listen. Get nice sound. Then the 12th one. Nice tone from Muffin. I also like the strings from Muffin. Okay, the strings from Muffin. Let's try this one with the pad. My keyboard is making noise. Okay, sorry for that one. Then also in Muffin, I really like the synthetic, and my favorite is this one. Nice one. Also check the 16th one over here, this one. Nice tone. Then the 10th one over here, I really like this one too. Nice tone. Okay, then the first one is also nice. So Muffin get nice synthetics that you can use to make Afrobeat. Okay, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to join this team. Like the video, turn on the notification bell by subscribing, leave a comment. I subscribe. Let's move on. You can play with these knobs here to suit you what you like. Reverb, the delay, okay, the chorus, you can tweak them to your liking. Okay, so in Muffin, I also like the pad. Okay, the pad from Muffin that I really like is this one. Let's listen. Okay, for the sake of this tutorials, I'm only using one chord progression. Okay, very simple. So we move on to the next plugin on my list, which is what? Cytrus. Okay, so with the Cytrus, you can also use this brass for your Afrobeat. The first on my list is what? This one. Nice tone. Okay, then I really like this brass too as well. The next brass that I normally use is the swell. Let's listen. Again, nice tone. Okay, so again, nice tone. The guitar from Cytrus. Let's try this one. Sorry for the noise from the keyboard. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Then you can also try the pad from Cytrus. Get nice pad, ambient too. This one. So Cytrus get nice tones that you can play with them. Okay, just take time, then walk through this. Get nice trumpets. Nice one. Okay, get this knobs that you can play with them to suit what you like. The next plugin on my list is what bass. I really like it for making bass. You can add it by selecting it from here. Let me show you. Okay, nice bass from bass. Okay, so the last plugin on my list, which is my favorite, is Flex. I really like Flex. Okay, Flex got every tone that you can use to make Afrobeat. Simple. With Flex, you can use it to make any beat that you want. Get nice tones. You can download some of the tones too from here. Okay, I really like Flex. I have a video which takes you through Flex, my favorite tones that you can use to make Afrobeat. So do well to check that from this. So do well to watch that video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Turn the notification bell on. Like the video, leave a comment, I subscribe. Okay, so let's move on. So with Flex, get nice tones that you can use for making Afrobeat. Nice tones from Flex. Nice tones from Flex. Okay. Nice marimba. Okay, kalimba. Nice tones. Okay, trumpet. So I really like Flex. You can play with these knobs here, over here, add some filters, pitch, okay, delay, reverb, something like that. So these are the 5 FL stock plugins that you can use to make better Afrobeats. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, leave a comment, I subscribed, like the video and share it as well. I have a video that I will show you my favorite tones from Flex. Click on the link in the description box or top here. It's got sound the beats. Still have the solution career. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.